everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're tackling a common kitchen conundrum, perfectly slicing fresh mozzarella. Whether it's for a vibrant caprese salad, a bubbling pizza, or a delicious lasagna, getting those clean, even slices can sometimes feel like a challenge. But don't worry, because I've got 5 fantastic hacks that will transform your mozzarella game. Say goodbye to squished, uneven pieces, and hello to beautiful, professional-looking slices every single time. Let's dive in. Our first hack is incredibly simple but often overlooked. Chill your mozzarella. Fresh mozzarella, especially the softer varieties, can be quite delicate and prone to squishing at room temperature. Pop your mozzarella ball into the fridge for at least 30 minutes or even an hour before you plan to slice it. This firms it up just enough to make it much easier to handle and cut cleanly. Next up, a hack that might surprise you. Dental floss. Yes, the same stuff you use for your teeth can be a secret weapon for slicing soft cheeses. Make sure it's unflavored and unwaxed for the best results. Simply take a long piece of floss, hold it taut between your hands, and gently pull it through the mozzarella. It creates incredibly clean, precise cuts without any sticking or tearing. It's perfect for delicate slices. For consistently even slices, especially for larger quantities, a wire slicer is your best friend. You might already have one for eggs or even a dedicated cheese slicer. These tools are designed for precision. Place your mozzarella on the base and press the wires down firmly and steadily. The thin wires glide through the cheese, giving you uniform slices that are ideal for layering on pizzas or sandwiches. Sometimes you need super thin, almost shaved mozzarella, or you're dealing with a very soft ball. For these situations, a quick trip to the freezer can work wonders. This is a great trick for grating too. Place your mozzarella in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. It won't freeze solid, but it will firm up significantly, making it much easier to slice paper thin with a sharp knife or even grate. Finally, let's talk about the most fundamental tool, your knife. A truly sharp, thin-bladed knife is essential for clean cuts. A dull knife will only squish and tear the delicate cheese. Use a long, thin-bladed knife, like a chef's knife or a slicing knife. Instead of pressing straight down, use a gentle sawing motion, drawing the blade towards you as you cut. This reduces friction and prevents sticking. There you have it, 5 simple yet effective hacks to achieve perfectly sliced mozzarella every single time. No more frustration, just beautiful, even pieces ready for your culinary creations. Try these out in your kitchen and let me know which one becomes your favorite. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.